Guys, it's in the evening and just got back from the grocery store, and I'm about to cook some chicken noodle soup. Big pot of chicken noodle soup on my Orogan Pomeloy stove. So let's take a look. Here I've got a good fire going and it's completely stuffed with wood, and then just got the drawer pulled all the halfway out to really get the fire going. And 2.5 pounds of fajita chicken, Tyson's frozen. It's already cooked, but I get this up to boiling with spices, added garlic, paprika, cumin, chili powder, oregano, basil, and get that to a roaring boil. Then I use a potato masher to mash the chicken strips down to small, tiny chunks that are more appropriate for soup. And then I'll add in, this time I got Bear Creek chicken noodle soup because they were out of the other one that I was going to get, the Lipton chicken noodle. And I've had this stuff before. It's pretty good. So I'll initially put 2 bags of this in. And then once it's cooked up, the noodles, and I want to stop the cooking process, I drop in 2 bags of frozen green peppers and onions and frozen mushrooms. And that stops the cooking process. I add butter, and I add virgin olive oil, lots of virgin olive oil. It makes for quite a hearty soup. And a pot like this can last me for at least a week. So anyway, I'll show you when it's done.